Hello everyone, welcome to my studio. My name is Aghogho, and today I want to share something powerful with you. It's something that has truly transformed my life, and I can't wait to share it with you. Every great journey begins with a dream, even when life is difficult. Sometimes that dream starts in the smallest places, but dreams have power. They can inspire us to achieve great things. Never underestimate their power. They push us forward, even when the world doubts us. And not long ago, I began a journey into the world of artificial intelligence. At first, it felt confusing and overwhelming. I didn't know where to start. But deep inside me, there was a quiet guide, a strong desire to learn something new. I believed that learning AI could eventually change the direction of my life. So I decided to start small and focus on learning just one simple tool. Then I kept going, learning one tool at a time, building my knowledge step by step. I spent hours watching tutorials, practicing prompts, and experimenting with different creative ideas. Little by little, I began to understand how powerful artificial intelligence could truly become. Day after day, my confidence in my skills slowly began to grow stronger. What once looked very complicated slowly started becoming clear and easier to understand. Before long, those small lessons began turning into real opportunities that could generate income. AI did not just teach me new digital skills, it completely changed how I think and create. It sharpened my creativity and helped me discover smarter ways to solve problems. It improved my productivity and allowed me to work faster and more efficiently. Most importantly, AI opened brand new doors that created real opportunities to increase my income. Today, artificial intelligence has become much more than just another tool that I use. For me, it has become a pathway to growth, opportunity, and long-term financial improvement. And that is exactly why I decided to share this experience with you today. Because sometimes the biggest changes in life begin with one simple decision to learn. So stay with me for a moment and follow this journey carefully. Because this AI journey, I also inspire your on path towards success and opportunity.